What's up? Back again with another amazing video. This video will be based on being focused in the forex market, giving your uninvited attention towards the market. The reason why I came up with this topic of discussion, like being focused, is because I lost this trade today because I wasn't paying the market much attention, and I also would have caught this trade. I didn't caught this trade right here because, as I was saying, I wasn't focused in the market. I was busy doing something, and all of my confirmations were net. Everything was on point, and I lost this trade because of not being focused. So this was my B setup and this was my A setup. Anytime I use a fair value gap, it's my A setup. Anytime I use a B setup, it's another black. Last candle before the downtrend, as you can see, downtrend. So let's go deeper into my explanation by doing this. As you all know by now how I trade, I would wait for either a break of the Asian high or the Asian low. And then after that we would look for a shift in the market. Then I would either identify a fair value gap or an order block. These are my three main confirmations. If they are not met, I will not be taking a trade. So let's see what happens in the market. Okay, so right here, I was waiting for a break of structure. And I got it. And then what I did was, this was my B setup. The last up candle before the downtrend. When I did, let's get rid of the Asian high and the Asian low line, because the Asian high has been taken out. So what I was waiting for was the price came up here, react off it, and then go back down. So what I did was I set a limit here. As I said, I wasn't really focused. I set a limit here. I think it was that. Set a limit here, and then I target 20 pips. What the market went up and did was it tapped me in. As you can see, it tapped me in, but it went ahead and hit my stop loss. As you can see, it hit my stop loss, and basically that was it. What I should have done was, when it reached my B setup, should have head to the 1 minute. And this was a breaker structure, and did this breaker structure. I was waiting on that till it break, and then I back to the 5 minute, and I would have done this. I would have done our instant execution. I would have done that, but because I wasn't focused, I didn't caught the trade. I lost the trade. And let's see what happens here. The market went ahead and break structure right here. Break structure. The market also went and break this structure here. This major structure was broken. Yeah. And then what would happen is after this structure would have been broken, as you can see, we're clearly in a downtrend. Because as you see, we're clearly in a downtrend. Now what would happen here is I would call the other trade because structure has been broken here. So I would hop back on the 15 minute and I would this would be this would now be my A setup. This would be my A setup. Should have been my A setup. And I came back and I would came here and I would have done this. I would have done this and I would call another trade. I would have caught 30 pips on this one. And here, as you can see, I would have won this trade as well. I would have won two trades. I would have won two trades. I would have won two trades if I had been focused. If I had been focused on the market, I would have won two trades. But that's how it is sometimes. Sometimes we win and sometimes we lose trades. That's how it is set. But I didn't beat myself up because I know it. I know what the market can do, what can happen. But these are the things that we learn from. These are the things that we learn from, and we always aim to be better, and we always practice, because as they say, practice makes perfect, and that they say. As usual, I hope you guys find this video interesting. I hope you subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment down below. And peace.